wish that you had kept me, and now you're falling on your front teeth, and I can see your skin a tint of green. Oh, you'd wish you wouldn't know. Oh, you'd wish you wouldn't know. I bet you wish you didn't touch her.
Hindi ka ng chicken?
Hindi ako ng chicken.
Kasi wala.
Balbak pa tayo.
So now you're making out you're so hurt. Oh, why you made me feel so much worse. Now you wish you could reverse. Now you wish you could reverse.
Mission po kami, no? Let's go to the...
Ipagaling natin alam kung saan.
Nag-ano mo alam saan.
Ikaw, alam mo.
Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Ala!
You're way too late, and I was on this freaking train, and I saved you a place, you threw it back in my face. Everything is gone. For you I had nothing, absolutely nothing. But I bet you
Digaf na to, bahala na to. May pa sunflower si Mayor.
you understand.
Si Mark. Ay, tita. Si Jeb. Tita.
Ang pangit ang tita.
This time, and now how dare you even mention love? Love is the last thing that you give to me. And don't you even think to lie, don't you even think to lie. There are no words which you could ever say
It's like a maze here.
to erase the hurt you sent my way.
Sunflower maze.
Shooting from me, cover rain.
Nalapak na yung iba.
That you wish that you were mine, that you wish that you
Sunflower maze!
You're way too late, and I was on this freaking train, and I saved you a place, you threw it back in my face. Everything is gone. From you I had nothing, absolutely nothing. But I bet you, yeah, it's over. It's over. You wish we had something, we got nothing. But I bet you,
Hindi na may lyrics nandun. Oo, hindi na makaya. Abort mission na di ko alam, mainit pero nagataliksik eh. Umambon. Describe me in one word. Cooking. Oh. Cut and paste and flowers. Cabbage. Ano to? Cabbage. Agoy! 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 Shit, man. That's caught on tape. Cabbage farm? Tawag nito sa lugar na to?
Nursery.
Hindi, yung blooming melon egg.
Blooming field?
Blooming fields unlock. Patapos na yung
Pag-bloom ng sunflower.
bloom ng sunflower. Hanggang June 16.
Yes.
June 16 lang. So we up here para makaabot kami dun. Pero medyo marami nang namatay na sunflower. Pero okay pa rin naman. No? Gusto mo dyan? Hindi ka tapos yung pasok.
Pwede ako yubo kasi flower ako. O, tingnan mo. Green sila.
Pero ka mag-blend sa lugar. Suot ka ng floral. Garden ka na sa sunod.
I am the flowers among the leaves.
Oh.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Kaapoy naman ang sok. Woohoo! German is always good for the vlog. May nawawalang bata.
Masino ka ito, balik mo ka dito.
Ano po ano? Kamera. Bilis siya. Ganda. Bilis. Doon. Dali. Dyan tayo. Brother. Isa pa. Let's go!
Bahala na gawala.
Ito yung pinaka-best friend mo. Hi, best friend! Hi!
Ito yung best friend ng lahat.
Gusto ko talaga mag-alaga ng snake. Siguro yung kaya Mercury Cup. Sige lang. Nalak po yun. Ang motor, ang susi, naiwan sa loob. Yeah!
Tagal na din ako.
Woo! Woo! Nakita na namin yung susi! Yay!
Bakit kasalanan niya man?
Bakit nagkapo lang kamay namin, ha?
Kasi naiwan niya yung susi ng motor sa U-box. Para kaming magnanakaw, nagkuot-kuot doon.
Grabe man! Woo! Boom ang kamot!
Ikaw eh, kasikat na sa DH.
Alam mo yung parang magnanakaw. Hintay ang game! Magpila yung ulan. Tapos na po yung work namin dito. Work! Sulo mga kapatid!
Pero marami pa rin tao. Ay, hala!
Huwag mo hitapon, mayaman ka! So we are here, waiting na lang. Refreshing.
Oh shit, oh take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around it, look like